After spurning America's advances for long, India is close to saying yes. Close on the heels of the visit of President Barack Obama, for the first time, India is clearing the ground for a key military pact with the US. The Navy has expressed strong support for a logistics support agreement with the US.
Navy is one service which operates all over the world, and in our Navy we operate all over the Indian Ocean. Now when you're operating, unlike the Army and the Air Force, operating in oceans, you need fuel, you need logistics supply. So the logistics supply agreement gives you advantage that if you have a logistics supply agreement with a country like the United States Navy, you can take fuel from them, you can take supplies from them.
The US has been pressing for the agreement since 2005. It will enable both militaries to plug into each other's logistics infrastructure. The Navy also cites the need for US logistical help in India's anti-piracy operations in the Gulf of Aden. It says the pact will give it longer sea legs, enabling it to project India's military power anywhere in the world.
It's easy to see the benefit of the India-US tie-up in purely military terms. It's the politics of it which is trickier. Should India be a strategic friend or a strategic partner of the US? But what's clear is that defense ties are said to be a big driver for the India-US relationship.
A possible spoiler is political divergence on key issues like Iran. That could make the enforcement of the pact a prickly issue. If the US were to, say, launch a campaign against Iran, the logistics agreement could be interpreted as India's support for a US war effort. But is too much being made of the divergences?
Foreign Minister Jaswant Singh, after 9/11, did make a statement and said the United States is permitted to use basing facilities in India for its operations in Afghanistan. And you know, in Operation Sagittarius, the Indian Navy patrolled the Malacca Straits in assistance of the United States merchant ships. They were great achievements.
What's more likely is that India will negotiate for changes in the draft agreement. That could make wartime logistical support conditional to political approval. But even a peacetime logistics deal would mark a huge turnaround by India and pave the way for a deeper military partnership with the US. With Vishal Thapar, Nancy Kohli, NewsX.